expectancy violation theory sees communication as the exchange of information which is high in rational content and can be used to violate the expectation of another, which will be perceived as either positively or negatively depending on the liking between the two people. When our expectations are violated, we will respond in specific ways. If an act is unexpected, it is assigned favorable interpretation, and it is evaluated positively, it will produce more favorable outcomes than an expected act with the same interpretation and evaluation. This theory assumes that humans have a certain amount of free will. This is because it assumes that humans can survive and interpret the relationship and liking between themselves and their conversational partner and then make decision whether or not to violate the expectation of another person depending on what outcomes they would like to achieve. The expectation violation theory assumes that there is one truth. This truth is that there are norms of all communication activities, and if these norms are violated, there will be a specific predictable outcome.